Video content creation involves several key steps. Idea generation. This is where the concept for the video is developed. It could be a script, a storyboard, or simply an outline of the content. Script writing. If applicable, a script is written detailing the dialogue, narration, and actions that will take place in the video. Pre-production. This phase involves planning and preparation. Tasks may include location scouting, casting actors, gathering props, and creating shot lists. Production. This is the actual filming of the video. It involves setting up lights, cameras, and audio equipment, as well as directing actors and capturing the footage according to the script or plan. Post-production. After filming, the raw footage is edited to create the final video. This includes tasks like cutting together shots, adding music and sound effects, color grading, and adding visual effects if necessary. Distribution. Once the video is completed, it needs to be distributed to the intended audience. This could involve uploading it to a website, sharing it on social media platforms, or distributing it through other channels. Throughout this process, collaboration between various team members, such as writers, directors, producers, cinematographers, editors, and marketers, may be required depending on the scale and complexity of the project.
Hello viewers, my name is Santanu Karmakar. I am the maker of this video. I am teaching video content making, Python, and Java. If any of these is one of your needs, the links are available in the description, and you may take a look at that.